Hello, everybody. Hope you are all doing well and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is third video of Business Central API Understanding series. In this video, we will dive deeper and practically test the post request in Business Central using an endpoint of standard API. Let's see how we can do. First we will see the items page in the Business Central. In the Business Central, we call products as items. Uh, there we will see the different important fields of item. Those are required fields to add any item. Next, we will make a get request to fetch all items in Postman and we'll discuss all exposed field. Remember, standard APIs do not expose all fields of any entity. If you need to expose all fields of any table, you need to write a custom extension for the Business Central. Moving on, we will create a post request to add a new item. I believe you have basic understanding of the post request. Typically, with the post request, we send a set of parameters, and they are usually as a form based. But as already discussed in Business Central, we use JSON format for data exchange. So we will send body parameters in JSON format. How to configure the body parameters and the header effectively. We will see all these things step by step. Let's see, and we log in Business Central first. This is the Business Central, and here we go to items. And if we go and add new item, like this is a template item. So what we need to send basically the number, this number we need to send, and the type, the inventory type, also description, uh, unit of measure. Okay, that is also required field. Then uh, this casting method is also required, I believe, but we will check. Casting method, okay, and next is um, posting group. We can actually skip the posting groups. The price and all other things are mandatory for the Business Center, but for the API process, I don't think they are required. But this number, description, and the unit of measure is most required. Uh, and maybe the item category, but no. Let's see. We test in Postman and see what the fields are there, and we try to um, create a new item. Okay, this I'm going to delete, by the way, because we don't need. Okay, going to Postman. In our last video, we fetched the companies. We just try again. Okay, these are the companies. Here I'm going to um, save as say that all items, fetching all items. Okay, all items, and for videos I'm going to say okay. So I added the header is already there. Okay, authentication. So if we see and what is the endpoint of items, you can see if uh, we can search items. Yes, this is the endpoint for the items. Here we can uh, but for first we need to provide the company. Okay, the company. If we will provide the company like this, in the last video I have already discussed this company, and if I will add the next endpoint, the items. Okay, let's see what we get. So here all available um, items of Cronus company. Okay, so what I said that only these fields are exposed in the business center. Okay, with the standard APIs. No, we need to create a get request. Okay, how we can do that? Let's see. First, we just duplicate it. Okay, and try to save it for the future reference. Add new item. Okay, new item. First, what we need to do, we need to make the post request. Okay, this is the post request. Then authentication, the header, JSON, except okay, you can do like this if you want. Token, I already have this one, the fresh token. So now we need to provide the body. Here, if we go and raw data and select here as a JSON, okay? And first we try to just uh, create a, okay? First what we need to do, okay? These are the names. You need to keep the same number, okay? The number, okay? Test 0001, okay? Then comma, what we need to do, display name, okay? Display name in double quotes, testing item from postman. Okay, and what else? Mm, type, of course, we copy save as inventory. Okay, type double quotes inventory. Mm, I think rest we can leave. Okay, so we try this with this. Okay, and now I'm going to send a request. Let's see what we get there in response. Yeah, we got the response. So item is already created there. Okay, see inventory. Now we go there in the business central and see uh, if this item exists in the business central or not. Well, no, we need to refresh the page. Sorry, we try to find the test. Mm, test item is not there. Why? What was the item? Let me check the number of tests. Yes. No, I think uh, we we added in a wrong company. Okay, no, we try to check in other company. Uh, Here you can see this is the record. Actually, I mistakenly copied the wrong company. So here you can see the item exists. So this way we can send data to Business Central. So in next video we will update same record, okay, and then we will uh, make some and I believe that we need to create any uh, web application or power app to communicate and data in a better way. Okay, thank you for watching.